students. I hope you all are safe and happy at home. In our previous class we have studied about stars and the solar system. In today's class also we will continue this chapter, stars and the solar system. About stars we know these are the giant balls which are made up of hydrogen, and due to the fusion of hydrogen they form heat and light energy. And about solar system, the sun along with the 8 planets and their moons known as solar system. About these we have studied. Except these we have studied about planets also. What are planets, how they rotate around the sun, or how long they take to rotate around the sun, how long they take to rotate on their axis, to revolve on their axis. We have studied about these things. Except stars and planet or moon, we have few more things which are present in our solar system. So in today's video we will discuss about these terms. The first one is asteroids. Asteroid, these are the small stone-like objects, these are the small pieces of stones which revolve in the orbit of or between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. These are the small pieces of rocks which revolve between Mars and Jupiter. Suppose about solar system we have studied. Suppose this is our sun. Around the sun planets revolve. First Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, and after Mars we have Jupiter. So suppose here we have Mars. After Mars here the next one is Jupiter. Next planet is Jupiter. So between the orbit of these two planets, small pieces of rocks are revolving around the sun in circular path. These small pieces of the stones are known as asteroids. The small pieces of rocks or metal which revolve around the sun in between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. These are asteroids. The small pieces of rocks or metal which revolve around the sun between the path or between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. These are known as asteroids. Second term which we will discuss about that. The second term is comets. Comets, these are the bright star-like objects which approach towards the sun. The bright star-like objects which approach towards the sun known as comets. These are mainly made up of dust, ice and gases. The bright star-like object which approach towards the sun made up of ice, dust and gases known as comets. These comets have a long tail. Comets have long tail. Suppose this is an object, this will have a long tail. This star-like object will have a long tail, and this tail is made up of dust, ice and gases. Because when the comet will approach towards the sun, it will move towards the sun, ice will melt. Due to the friction of dust, the heat energy will produce and it will form a tail. The head always approach towards the sun. Suppose this is the sun, this is comet. So the head always approach towards the sun and the tail is always away from the sun. So about comet we have studied. The bright star-like object with a long tail approaching towards the sun are called comets. These bright star-like objects always, or the head always approach towards the sun and the tail is always away from the sun. The next thing about which we will discuss, the third one is meteors. Meteors, or these are also known as shooting stars. If we are saying that the star is shooting, जो टूटता तारा टूटता हुआ बोलते हैं हम, actually that is meteor. The shooting star is known as meteor, और meteor known as shooting star. वो star नहीं होता, जो तारा टूटता है हम बोलते हैं तारा टूट रहा है, make a wish. So वो तारा नहीं होता, that is not a star, that is meteor. These meteors are the small stones or metal objects which appear suddenly in the sky. These meteors are the small pieces of stone or metals which suddenly appear in the sky for few moments or for few seconds and then disappear. These are the small pieces of stones which suddenly appear in the sky for some time and then they disappear. These are known as meteor or shooting star. जो टूटता तारा होता है वो ये meteors होता है हमारे पास, shooting stars होते हैं. When a stone falls from the sky towards the earth's surface, due to the things which are present in the path of that stone, the friction will produce. The stone will start burning. Stone will start burning due to the heat energy. The stone will start burning due to the friction. Heat energy will produce, and due to heat energy, the stone will start burning. It will look like a star. But due to the continuous friction, it will disappear after some time. It will not reach to the earth surface. It will disappear after few minutes or few seconds. It will disappear. These are known as meteors. Meteors are the bright star object which appear suddenly in the sky and then for a few moments glow and then disappear. These are known as meteors. Meteors are the bright star-like objects which suddenly appear in the sky for few seconds and then suddenly disappear. These are known as meteors. और this meteor is also known as shooting star. So बोलते हैं ना टूटते हुए तारे को make a wish. तो तारा नहीं टूटता हमारे पास, stars are fixed. वो तारा नहीं टूटता, वो क्या होता है हमारे पास? Meteor. The next term is meteoroids. These meteoroids if the meteor is of big size, if the stone is of big size, then some of the part will burn in the atmosphere and maybe a small size of stone or few part of this meteor reaches to the reaches to the earth's surface, then it is known as meteoroids. These meteors are known as meteoroids if they reach on the surface of earth. When a stone falls from the sky, it will start burning, but if the size of meteor is bigger, then a small size stone or a few part of meteor reaches to earth's surface, then it is known as meteoroids. These meteoroids, if a meteor is too big and fail to burn completely in the atmosphere, then a part reaches to the surface of earth. That part is known as meteoroids. If a big size stone fall from the sky, then some of the part will burn and some of the part will reach to the earth surface. That part which reach to the earth surface known as meteoroids. The part which reaches to the earth surface known as meteoroids. और meteors, these are shooting stars. So जो टूटता हुआ तारा होता है, that is not actually a star, that is meteors. Now we will see difference between a star and a planet. Then we will see difference between a shooting star and star. Now we will see the difference between difference between star and a planet. Difference between a star and a planet. So first we will discuss about star, then we will discuss about planet. Now we will see difference between a star and a planet. First we will discuss about star, then we will discuss about planet. So about star, we know that stars have their own light. Stars have their own light. About planet, we know that planets, first point, about planets we know that planets do not have their own light, they depend on the solar light. Planets doesn't have their own light. Stars have their own light, whereas planets do not have their own light, but planets depends on sunlight totally for the light energy. The second thing about the star produce their own energy. Produce their own energy. अपनी खुद की एनर्जी होती है स्टार्स के पास. बट अबाउट प्लैनेट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन सोलर रेडिएशन फॉर एनर्जी. About stars, we know that stars, due to the fusion of the hydrogen, they form helium and they produce a large amount of heat and light energy. So stars produce their own energy. Stars produce their own energy, whereas planets depends on the solar radiation for energy. Third point, stars appear to twinkle. Appear to twinkle. But about planet, we know that planets do not twinkle. Planets do not twinkle, whereas stars twinkle. The fourth point is, stars do not change their position, they are fixed. Stars do not change their position. About star we have studied this thing, do not change their position, they are fixed, but they appear to move from east to west. Why? Because the planets revolve from west to east. Stars does not change their position, whereas planets revolve around the sun. When they will revolve around the sun, obviously they will change their position. If something is revolving around an object, it means the thing is changing its position. So stars does not change their position, whereas planets change their position because they revolve around the sun. Now the next point is, we know that stars are fixed, but we can write a point, stars appear, actual में तो move करते नहीं है, appear to move from east to west. Stars appear to move from east to west, whereas about stars, we know one thing, that stars are fixed, they do not move. But we can write a point that they appear to move. I told you an example, if we are sitting in a bus and the bus is moving, then trees are appear to move in backward direction. The same thing, stars are fixed, but they appear to move from east to west because the planets revolve or moves from west to east. Planets moves from west to east. Due to the rotation of the planet or motion of planets, stars appear to move from east to west. In planets, Venus is not considered in this. Venus is not considered in these planets because Venus rotates from east to west. All the planets rotate from west to east except Venus. So you have to learn this acceptation also. Again I am repeating these differences. Difference between a star and a planet. About stars have their own light. We know that they are made up of hydrogen. Due to the fusion of hydrogen, they produce heat and light energy. So they have their own light. Whereas planets do not have their own light. They depend on the solar radiation. Produce their own energy. When hydrogen fuses, helium gas form and they produce their own energy. Whereas planets depend on solar radiation for energy. Planets do not produce any energy. Appear to twinkle. Actual में stars twinkle करते नहीं है, but they appear to twinkle. Why they appear to twinkle? Because sometimes a less amount of light reaches to us, and sometimes a large amount of light reaches to us. So they appear to twinkle. Whereas planets do not twinkle. I told you about this also. Stars does not change their position; they are fixed. But about planets, we know that planets revolve around the sun in an elliptical or orbit path. Stars appear to move from east to west. In fourth point, we have studied stars are fixed; they do not change their position. But in next point, we are saying that they appear to move. So they are not moving, but they are appearing to move from east to west. Stars appear to move from east to west, but they are fixed. About planets, planets moves from west to east, except Venus. Venus moves from east to west, and except Venus, all the planets moves from west to east. Now we will discuss about the difference between a star and a shooting star. Difference between a star and a shooting star. And about shooting star, we know that meteors are known as shooting stars. Star and shooting star, जो टूटता हुआ तार होता है और एक स्टार के बीच में हम डिफरेंस करेंगे. So about star and shooting star. Shooting stars are known as, or meteors are known as, shooting stars. So we will see the difference between a star and a meteor or shooting star. The first point about the star is, stars are extremely big, whereas shooting stars are small in size. Stars are extremely bigger and shooting star, these are small in size. About shooting stars, we know that the small pieces of stones which falls from the sky towards the earth, they start burning due to the friction, and after some time they disappear. So these are the small pieces of rocks. And about meteor or about shooting star, we have discussed one more point, that these appear for few minutes. these appear or these last for few seconds. So first we will write about this only. These last for few seconds. ऊपर से गिरा, थोड़ी देर के लिए जलता है, जलने के बाद जैसे ही मटेरियल फिनिश हुआ they lost. So these shooting star last for few seconds, but stars last for billions of years. These stars last, ये stars तो बहुत टाइम तक रहते हैं. So stars last for billions of years, whereas shooting star lasts for few seconds. Third point about stars. Stars produce energy. Stars produce energy due to the fusion of hydrogen. And these shooting stars produce energy. These produce energy due to friction. When they fall due to friction, heat energy produced, and in stars due to the fusion of hydrogen they form helium and they produce a large amount of heat and light energy. The stars. Now we will discuss about the material, what material they are made. So stars, fourth point, stars mainly made up of hydrogen and helium. Stars mainly made up of hydrogen and helium. And shooting stars, these are the pieces of rocks and metals. Stars mainly made up of hydrogen and helium, and shooting star mainly made up of the rocks and metals. So we have seen the difference between star and shooting star. About stars, stars are extremely bigger in size, whereas shooting stars are small pieces of stones or metals. Stars, second point, stars last for billions of years, whereas shooting star, these last for few seconds. Because we know that when a stone falls, after few seconds it disappears. If it reaches to Earth's surface, then it is known as meteoroids. So meteor, these last for few seconds. Third point, stars produce energy due to the fusion of hydrogen. And meteors or shooting star, these produce energy due to the friction. Fourth point, stars mainly made up of hydrogen and helium. About the material, stars made up of hydrogen and helium, and the shooting star made up of, or these are the small pieces of rocks and metals. So now the last thing about this chapter is artificial satellite. We will see the last topic of this chapter. Artificial about artificial, we know that the things which are made by the human being or man-made things are known as artificial. In fiber to fabric mainly we have seen this natural and artificial magnet, we have seen this. Artificial means man-made things. So the satellites which revolve around the planets, and those are made by the human beings known as man-made satellite or artificial satellite. The satellites which are made by the human beings and revolve around the planet known as artificial satellite or man-made satellite. About satellite, we know that first satellite which is sent by the Russia, the name of first satellite, that is Sputnik. Sputnik is the first satellite which is sent by the Russia in space, and this Sputnik revolve around the Earth, and Sputnik is sent in, I think, 1957. This is the first artificial satellite which is sent by the Russia in space. The name of that satellite is Sputnik. The first satellite sent by the India is Aryabhatta. Indian satellite कौन सा था first? Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is the first satellite which is sent by the India in the space, and Sputnik is the first artificial satellite, and it is sent by Russia. So Sputnik sent by Russia. Russian, ये कौन सा था? Russian, और आर्यभट्ट का कौन सा था? Indian. Artificial satellite, these are the man-made satellites which revolve around the planets, and first satellite sent by Russia, the name of satellite is Sputnik, and which is the first satellite sent by, or name the first satellite sent, artificial satellite sent by India, that is Aryabhatta. So you have to revise this chapter carefully, and you have to do the exercise of this chapter also. Learn the difference between star and planet, and difference between star and shooting star. You have to do this work carefully. Okay, thank you.